Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung paano makapagpabook. Okay, let's see Virgo. What's up? What's coming to you this week? Para sa mga Virgo. Aquarius energy, collaboration, working with other people. So, maaring marami kang imi-meet up ngayong week na to, lalo na kung may business ka or nasa sales and marketing ka or meron kang project na you will be doing with someone like a business partner or a colleague, no? So, mas magiging open ka for collaboration. You also have Gemini energy, which is cross-pollinate. Yeah, this is expanding your horizon, expanding your connections, new friends, new community na sasalihan mo. Pwede rin may mga offer sa'yo of collaboration, especially if you are a content creator, no? Na may i-offer ng paid partnership, ganyan. Let's see. Confrontation, opposition. So, maaari ring maka-experience ka ng ng tension with someone na hindi kayo pareho ng pananaw. Oo, or hindi kayo pareho ng desisyon or ng opinion. So, iwasan mo na lang na I mean, okay naman yung may ganyan argument, but to a point na iiwasan mong makasakit ng damdamin ng iba. 'Di ba? Para more friends kasi I feel like yung pagkakaroon ng mas maraming friends, connections, being part of a community, yan yung isa sa magbibigay ng success sa'yo. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Fool. This is a new beginning. Ito yung tipong you don't really care kung ano yung magiging outcome ng mga sisimulan mo ng gagawin mo. You just want to take a risk. You just want to experience, no? How is it like pag nagawa mo yung isang bagay na gusto mo? Kasi hindi lahat ng gusto natin gawin, nagagawa natin, 'di ba? Dahil minsan may hindi pumapayag, may humahad lang, or may restrictions tayo, may limitations, 'di ba? But for you, I feel like you're going to go with the flow. What is your possible challenge? You have the Page of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong pinag-aaralan ngayon, nire-research, self-study, pwedeng isa yan sa maging challenge ninyo na minsan sobrang busy, hindi ka na nakakapagbigay ng oras at panahon dun sa inaaral mo, no? Pagdadagdag ng bagong skill, ng bagong knowledge, pag-i-improve pa ng abilities mo. Some of you naman, if you are starting out a business, pwedeng maging challenging yung pagsisimula niyan, lalo na kung may mga documentation, kailangan ka asikasuhin, alam niyo na, pag business, or pwede rin sa training, pag meron kang bagong trabaho. So, your opportunity is the Ace of Pentacles. So, definitely a new beginning in your career, your finances. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo papasok sa isang investment, yung iba naman may bagong work, bagong career na sisimulan, or a new business. So, let's see your blessing. You have the Four of Pentacles. As a blessing, this is stability in your finances. Mas makakapag-ipon ka ngayong week na to, or baka may marireceive ka na certain amount of money, anything extra na wala ka namang pagkakagastusan. So, might as well, itabi mo na lang, isave mo muna, saka mo isipin kung kailangan mo bang gastusin yon o hindi, 'di ba? So, what is the Fool? This is the Moon. I think you're following your instinct, Virgo, no? Kung saan ka sa tingin mo, no? Parang yung tawag doon. Yung intuition mo, yung kutob mo, 'di ba? Minsan ganun eh. Makakaramdam ka kaagad na, uy, parang maganda tong subukan, or maganda tong pasuking trabaho, or maganda tong simulan na negosyo. Kaya lang, ito ang lang dito is minsan, pag masyado ka namang naging emotional, na magpapadala ka sa emotions mo, yun ang mahirap, 'di ba? You also have to balance na yung mga gagawin mo is alam mo sa sarili mo na you're doing that because that's what's coming from the inside, yung talagang instinct mo, na sinasabi ng instinct mo, sige push mo na yan, gawin mo. Okay, what is the Page of Pentacles? The Empress. So, yung iba sa inyo nagsistruggle sa creativity or maaring yung pag-aasikaso sa sarili ninyo. Ang challenge dyan is kung paano nyo pa rin bibigyan ng oras at panahon yung sarili nyo na alagaan yung sarili nyo. Kasi baka this week hindi ka makapag-skincare or sobrang busy, no? Or hindi ka makapagpamassage or alam mo yun, tipong puro focus sa work. Lalo na yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pinagsasabay na dalawang pinagkakaabalahan. Like, for example, nagtatrabaho ka na and at the same time, nagninegosyo ka o kaya nagninegosyo ka habang nag-aaral ka or nag-aaral ka habang nagtatrabaho ka. 'Di ba? So, make time for yourself. Your opportunity is the Justice card. O, 'di ba? Bringing balance into your life. And decision making rin. So, I think this week, meron ka opportunity to make a decision para sa sarili mo. Na alam mong ikaw talaga yung merong inputs nun. Talagang galing talaga sa'yo, hindi dahil na-impluensyahan ka ng ibang tao. What is the Four of Pentacles? The Nine of Pentacles. Wow. So, as a blessing, no, meron ditong financial stability. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong like certain goal sa week na to na or pwede ngayong week na to mangyayari pero dati nyo ng goal na makukuha nyo na yung tina-target nyo na na income or savings kasi you have more than enough para sa sarili mo, which you can also help others or share sa iba, especially if you are a breadwinner sa family. May recognition. Wow. Very competent ka, no? I think you are so competitive at this point. Kaya talagang nakakakuha ka ng attention sa work mo, sa career, or sa business. And you are also setting boundaries. You are protecting yourself. You are protecting your energies. Hindi mo rin nahayaan na i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao. May career advancement para sa iba, sa inyo. Merong career growth. So, expect career growth in your field of work. Opportunities are coming your way. Wow, Virgo. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are healing from your past mistakes. Ang importante dyan, naging aware ka dun sa mistake na yon at gagawin mo yung best mo na maiwasan na ulit na mangyari yon. Okay? Slow and steady wins the race. So, maaring itong sinisimulan mo, no, na bagong trabaho, business, career, investment, hindi naman siya overnight success. Okay? Ito yung kailangan mo rin na mag-effort, maghintay, you have to be patient. Kasi eventually, no, meron at meron niyang magiging magandang resulta sa'yo kung alam mo sa sarili mo na handa kang maghintay at handa ka ring magbigay ng sacrifices o kaya mag-work, no, magtrabaho, pag-effortan yung isang bagay na yan sa trabaho, sa career mo. Ayan, sa iyong love life and career, self-care. Whether you are in a relationship or not, single ka man, may a relationship, ayan ang focus mo, to take care of yourself. Hindi pwedeng ikaw yung laging nag-aalaga sa iba. Ikaw rin dapat kaya mong alagaan yung sarili mo. Maaring meron ka ngayong admirer, might be flirting with you, yung tipong may kapagharutan. If you're single, I think that's fine as long as itong person na to ay walang sabit, walang issue, para walang problema, 'di ba? Very passionate relationship with someone. So if you are in a relationship, I feel like mas lalong lalalim yung connection mo with this person. Especially that nakikita niya na kayang-kaya mo ring alagaan yung sarili mo. You're someone who is independent and caring. Ayan. So maaring lalong magiging matatag ang inyong relationship. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.